Welcome back to Autistic Coder. Today we're enhancing the Pokemon app by linking our favorites page to the main app. You'll learn how to create smooth navigation between pages in Next.js using the App Router. Linking pages is a key part of any web app. It allows users to navigate seamlessly, making your app more intuitive and engaging. Next.js provides an app router that makes this process straightforward. So here's how we link to our favorites page from the main page. In the main page JavaScript file page.js over in the app directory, we first import link from Next/link, and then down here in the home component, we just insert a link component with href equal to /favorites. This is just telling the browser to create a link component that of course goes to the /favorites URL. And then of course we do similar code in the favorites page JavaScript file for returning back to the main page. Great job! Now that we've linked our pages, we are ready to take things further. In the next tutorial, we'll style our navigation buttons, improve the app layout, and dive into dynamic routing for advanced navigation.